Happiness. It's not found in 12 cylinders. It's not the lowest 0 to 100 time or breaking Nürburgring track records. Happiness isn't included in a wide body kit. It's not attending supercar rallies in your gold-wrapped Lamborghini. Happiness isn't making 500 horsepower or 1,000. So, what is happiness then? Well, it can be as simple as starting an engine. It can be a satisfying shift. Or it could be taking your favorite corner on a familiar road. Happiness is admiring a good view and listening to the sounds of nature. Or it could also be admiring a Civic and listening to the Happiness can be had while saving fuel, while listening to music, or while enjoying a stress-free, reliable ownership experience. Phew, thank God. After all, those who can look through the noise that is exotic cars, crazy builds, and extraordinary lifestyles that social media and mainstream car culture glorifies, will realize that happiness really is just a feeling that comes from within.